let's learn how you can add event on 1xbet. So let's start by opening our application, and now you just want to go to sports and select whatever sport you want to make a bet for. I will do about football, so I'll go to pre-match option and select Club World Cup right here. And here you see quotes and place, matches, when will they start, etc. Now to create an event or a slip, you just need to click on it. So click on the match. Now select whatever you want to do. For example, I will choose that Atletico will win. Doesn't really matter. Let's say they will score over 2 goals. Now you can here add bet to slip, okay? And go back. Go to the next. Paris, for example. Let's say they will take it. And here we added 2 matches to slip. Now how you can create an event, you just need to place the stake, whatever you want to put in, and click on bet. And you will create an event. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.